I have zero experience in leathercraft, and I made a serious investment, for me at least, to try out a new hobby and see if it's something I enjoy doing. I'm a struggling weekend woodworker and thought maybe getting into leather work could complement the current work I do on the weekend. In this video, I'm going to show off all the tools I bought with my woodworking Etsy earnings. Again, I have no experience, so I'm jumping in blindly, head first. Let me know in the comments what you think I should work on. My thought is I should first try out some sheaths for my various wooden knives, only because it complements what I currently sell. But I definitely need your help to guide me through this interesting world of leathercraft. The first tools I received were from Amazon. This was a Father's Day gift, and it looks like a great starter set for someone trying to get into leathercraft. First off, there are just so many different tools included in this set. I don't even know what some of these things are or what they do. That was the first thing I noticed. Next, this set actually came in a nice bag where you can organize the tools, but I'm not sure if this is a bad thing or not, but there were more tools that came in this set that can fit into the bag. Okay, the set was a gift, so the first thing I actually bought was this veg tan leather double shoulder from Tandy Leather. This is the first piece of leather I've ever purchased, so I have nothing really to compare it to. This is a 7 to 9 ounce double shoulder. I bought this because it was recommended for sheaths and holsters. The next purchase came from Weaver Leathercraft. I wanted a pattern sheet just in case I found something I wanted to make multiple times. I actually made the mistake of accidentally buying 2 of the glues. I bought a couple kits because when I priced it out, it was so much cheaper to get it in a kit rather than having to purchase everything separately. So when you're on the Weaver website, you can click Shop by Project and see video tutorials on how to make a ton of things. What I like about this is that you can also scroll down and see all the tools used in the project. This is how I decided what I thought I needed. I looked at a couple sheath and holster tutorials and bought up most of what I saw being used. Alright, this was a large order. Am I crazy for purchasing this? This was about $450, but that's not it. There's more coming. Enter Weaver shipment number 2. You'll see why I bought a second edge beveler. It's because I got this second piece of leather, and for different sizes of the leather, you kind of need different sizes of the bevelers to get the perfect edge work done. So this is the second piece of leather I've ever purchased. I wanted a lighter weight to use for wet molding to complement the heavier piece from the previous shipment for things like sheaths and holsters. Again, I don't have much to compare this to, but my first impression is that this piece from Weaver is of great quality and bigger than I expected, since it was just a single shoulder compared to the double shoulder I purchased from Tandy. However, it could very well be because the piece from Tandy was a cheaper economy option that I bought. Now, since recording this, I have made a few knife sheaths and enjoy working with both of the types of leather. I'm nowhere near experienced enough to probably know any differences in the quality or workability. In conclusion, I acknowledge how insane these purchases were for someone just trying to get into leatherworking as a beginner. But for me, I need an excuse to really give it a shot. As mentioned earlier, I already made a couple sheaths. Check out this small sheath I made for this folding knife. And here, I made a sheath for a wooden knife I made a while back. Finally, check this out. I went rogue and tried to make a sheath that would go with the skeletonized wooden knife that I recently made, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this. Hey, so let me know in the comments what you think I should attempt, given the new toys I acquired. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you back when I show off future tools I get, and also on the projects I work on. Take care.